Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we have now approached to positive MACD and we're near overbought levels with the RSI. As for the moment, we're currently resting right along the 9 moving average, this blue line, at the price of $25.45. As we extend out onto the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're about to approach to positive territory and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. We have broken above the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, which will act as our temporary support. And as for our resistance to the upside, we did encounter resistance in the past that dated back to September 14th, and that is around the price of $27.32. However, this moving average support does break. The next support level will be where we have the 18-day moving average, this purple line, at the price of $24.44. So if we do manage to head up higher to test resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 6.5%, and to test support, that is around 4.8% to the downside. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $22.65, and that coincides with the 18-day moving average, this purple line. And as for my sell target, that's $24.42, and my stop loss is at $22.06. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my short entry will be at $24.93, and that coincides with resistance in the past that dated back to September 14th. And my sell target for it will be $23.28, and my stop loss will be $25.58. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 55% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 4.8%. As for the downside, we have a 45% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 4.8%. And if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.